Welcome back to the channel. What a place to start the vlog today at Chandratal Lake. We just took some awesome pictures and some awesome videos. Now we are going back to the tents. What a place. To come to this place, you'll have to come on your bike from the tents for like 2 kilometers, and then you'll have to walk for like half an hour, and then you reach this lake. So this is the tent we are staying in. Give your room tour. This is the bed. These are really good. It really keeps you warm. And this is the washroom. Pretty basic, but that's what you can expect at a place like this. Yeah. Now let's head back. Okay, let's go. Only thing you have to remember when you come to a place like this where there are water crossings, any kind of waterproof boots you wear, the water is going to go in anyway, so nothing is waterproof. But whenever you stop, you can change your sock, or you can just dry it out for a little time, because otherwise your leg becomes really difficult to handle. Not because of the water, because it's cold, your feet will freeze. So invest in a good boot, which will go a long way. I have bought this boot from Tourmaster. I have done one lay ride and one spiti ride and a lot of other rides. It holds up really well. It's a water resistant boot, but water does go in when you enter a water crossing. Look at the cloud formation. It's brilliant. I don't know how it's looking on the camera, but in real it's looking so good. I always wanted to ride in between a snow wall. Yay! Whew. I've done this road on my Bullet Classic 500, but doing on the Himalayan is totally different and so easy. It feels so easy. Also, I couldn't fly my drone in Chandratal because it's not allowed. I asked around, so that's sad. I wish I could get that view from Chandratal. It's bad. lot of water crossings.
कितना पानी कितना लेवल तक है?
यहाँ तक है.
यहाँ तक
हाँ.
पानी का ट्राउजर पहनना.
Careful. Be careful. चलो bye. Yay, we are joining the Leh Manali highway. I have not gone to fifth gear yet. In 150-200 kilometers, no fifth gear. All this water is from these ice. From this ice. It's melting. Rohtang is always filled with tourists, which I don't like. But didn't expect so much of snow. It was there in Kunzum, so obviously it will be here as well. The snow wall. The snow wall. So happy to see it. Yeah, so much ice. It is very cold. Clouds. Cannot see anything. Now we are going below the clouds. When did this start in Manali? When? Okay. See you in Bangalore. Ride safe. Bye Kasol. We stayed in Kasol last night, and now I'm leaving towards Delhi. I'll be riding to Bangalore, but Vikas is splitting with me. He's going to continue the ride for another week or so, and Sagar had a flight back to Delhi, so he took a bus from here to Delhi. So now I have to ride back to Bangalore, but I'm gonna end the video over here. So thank you very much for watching this video. You will see me very soon in the next vlog. I think it's going to be from Kasol to Bangalore. So thank you for watching. You will see me very soon in the next video. Bye bye.